Welcome students. Today we will start our new topic that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so let us discuss Microsoft PowerPoint. So first of all, how we will start Microsoft PowerPoint. So first we have to go in start button. In start button there is in MS Office. You have to go in MS Office first. In MS Office there is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, like this you will open MS Office PowerPoint. It is MS Office PowerPoint 2007. If you have 2016 also, then you can use that also. But I am using MS Office 2007. Now let us discuss some basic components of MS PowerPoint. Okay, so first we will start with this title bar. Okay, title bar is always at the top. When you will go at the top, it is written presentation Microsoft PowerPoint. So this box is called title bar. So as you know, title will be always at title is always at top. So title bar is at top. Okay, near title bar there is one more bar, that is quick access toolbar. As the name suggests, quick means fast. You can access these buttons very fastly by clicking here only. It is save button, undo and redo button are there. If you want to add more, there is scroll down button, you will add more button. So second is quick access toolbar. Third is status bar. Status bar means it will show the status of current page. Okay, suppose I am in first page, so it is showing me first of first. If I have work in 3 or 4 pages, and if I am in second page, so it will show second of 4. Okay, and in which form I am writing English. Okay, now some other point, that below title bar there is one more bar, that is called menu bar. As you know, as you go in hotel, there is a menu for everything, so it is like menu. Okay, menu bar is here in different tabs like home tab, insert tab. In menu bar there are different tabs: home tab, insert tab, design, animation, and etc. Okay, in each tab there are certain options. Like if you go in hotel, there are menu of hotel. In suppose like if you will see in Indian there are different type of dishes are there. So in the same way, if you will open any tab, so you will get different option in different tab. Okay, so it is called menu bar. Second, below menu bar there is ribbon. Okay, these big box is called ribbon. Okay, in ribbon it will show the options of particular tab. Suppose if I will open home tab, so in home tab it is showing me this option. In insert tab it will show me different option. So ribbon will show the options of different tab. Okay, and tabs are divided into groups. Suppose this is clipboard group, this is slide group, font group, paragraph group, drawing and editing, and each group have certain option related to that group. Now third is slides. Okay, here at the left corner you will see number of slides. Suppose I am working in first slide, so it is showing me only one. Okay, if I am working in 2 or 3 slide, so it will show me 2 and 3 slide. In its number is 1. If you will go in 2 and 3, it will show me number 2 and 3. Okay, so this is number of slides. Now next is ruler. This is ruler. You can see this ruler in MS Word also. This is horizontal ruler, this is vertical ruler. So two type of ruler are there, horizontal and vertical. Now next, at the top, at the right side of title bar, there is one more thing is there, control button. As you see, minimize, maximize and close button, it is called control button. It will control the application. Like if you want to minimize, maximize, you can do by it. Okay, next one, at the center where you will do your work, it is called either working area or slide pane. And single page is called slide. This single slide is either called page Okay, like in Word, single page is called page. Here it is one slide is called page, and either you can say it working area. Next one, below that slide there is one more area that is called note pane. Here you can add some notes. Suppose if you want to add that this slide is based on this topic and this slide is based on this thing, so you can add note here. And last, at the bottom right corner there is view area. This is view area, means how you will see your slide. There are three options. See how you will see, either by single page or 4 page at once, or third option is slideshow. When you will click on it, it will show your slide how it will look like in projector. Okay, and right side of these things there is zoom slider. Either you can zoom in or zoom out the page. If you will zoom out the page, it will look smaller, and in zoom in it will look bigger. Okay, so you can zoom in or zoom out the page.